Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S. Science Foundation is here with a very inspiring story of one of our student, Haimanti Samanta. So Haimanti Samanta, she has done M.SC in Environmental Sciences from Vidyasagar University, West Bengal. She also did Masters in Chemistry from University of Burdwan and B.SC in Chemistry from University of Burdwan, West Bengal. She was in live online program with us and was preparing for GATE Environmental Science and Engineering along with NET-JRF in Environmental Sciences. She qualified GATE Environmental Sciences and Engineering in very first attempt along with NET-LS. Now she is preparing very hard for the PhD entrances and interviews along with the same, and she's trying to get a best place for the PhD program in her native area. She also worked very hard with the team, and she was doing a job. Along with that, she was able to qualify this along with the as per the facilities provided by the institute, like the cloud facility and the recorded lectures, which were very helpful for her. At present, the institute is offering NET-JRF Environmental Sciences in offline mode at Delhi Center, in the live online mode, correspondence with video mode, and only correspondence for December 2023. Along with that, the institute is also offering GATE Environmental Science and Engineering and GATE Ecology Evolution for 2024. Institute is also offering various competitive exams preparation such as Central Pollution Control Board and State Pollution Control Board, which are there. Along with that, all the master's level exam for life sciences and environmental sciences are also given attention. Those people who are willing to apply for master's or PhD program at US or in Europe, they are also most welcome for the guidance by the expert team at A.S.S. So feel free for the same, those who wish to start. Once again, we would like to congratulate our student Haimanti Samanta from West Bengal for qualifying GATE Environmental Science and Engineering. We wish her good luck for the future PhD journey. Thank you.